Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chrysler Pacifica key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both existing and new ones, and ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes right from your driver's seat. You won't need any special tools, just your keys and a little patience. Let's get started with the initial setup steps. To begin, make sure you are seated comfortably in the driver's seat with all your key fobs. Double-check that all vehicle doors are completely closed and securely latched. Next, take one of your already programmed key fobs and insert it into the ignition. This existing key is crucial for initiating the programming sequence for any new fobs you wish to add. Now, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine, then immediately turn it OFF. Remove the existing key. Within 10 seconds, insert a new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition and repeat the on and OFF cycle. After removing the new key, press the unlock button on that new fob within 10 seconds. You should hear a chime confirming successful programming. Once you've completed the programming for all your key fobs, it's essential to test each one thoroughly. Check that all buttons, including lock, unlock, and panic, respond as expected. If any key fob isn't working correctly, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming sequence from the beginning for that specific fob. With a little care, all your Chrysler Pacifica key fobs will be ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.